guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create this like eye into space video edit on CapCut PC. So go to media and select like the video of like an eye opening and going into like space. Then you are just going to go to transitions here and you're going to select infinite 2. But you're going to make the duration a little bit smaller so the transition isn't super slow like this. So maybe at like 0.4 seconds or 0.3. And you can even select, just put this one in the middle first, right click, create compound clip first, then split it, and you can as well add in like the pull in video transition to make it move a little bit faster if you'd like to. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.